brand identity and voice system. Feed Bob your entity type, writing samples, and optional brand assets. Bob determines your entity type and crafts the output path. It extracts brand essentials and discovers your unique voice. A design philosophy emerges, generating key documents. Receive brand.json tone of brand system.md and config.json. Trigger with create brand voice guidelines from our blog posts. Save 6 hours, done in 20 minutes. Consistency grows with every piece. Your brand voice, defined in 20 minutes.